So today I'm about to show you how to change email notifications in Fluid.io. If you want to customize your alert preferences, stop getting spam, or make sure you never miss an important update about your AI node workflows. This quick trick is absolutely the best way to do it. First, log into Fluid, go to your dashboard workspace, move your cursor down to the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on your profile icon to open up the main account menu, and select Settings from the list to reveal your preference dashboard. Next, look at the sidebar inside your settings. Click on the Notifications tab. Here, you will see a checklist of all alerts Fluid can send you. Simply toggle the switches next to features like marketing updates, security alerts, or node completion reports. Now, if you want to completely stop all non-essential emails, you can also manually check or uncheck the primary opt-out box at the bottom of the list. Once your choices are set up, click the Save Changes button. The system will automatically update your preferences instantly, keeping your inbox perfectly clean. You can now close the settings and go back building your canvas. So that's it. That's how to change email notifications in Fluid.io. Make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.